people putting lift kits on golf carts are all the rave nowadays. Here, let me show you how you do it. This is how they factory do it. As you can tell, this is the one I've been doing some front end work on. But can you imagine? This is the main frame rail that goes all the way back to the rear end. You literally, and here's the rest of the frame, you saw it off at the center supports, saw it flat, and then you put these Z-bars in here, and you can get different lengths of these Z-bars. If you want more of a drop, you just order a longer drop. Everything drops down. The only thing that you have to do is this right here. You have to take your steering shaft and cut it in half, and then slip a sleeve over it, and then they just weld it and they weld it. So if you can imagine this diameter shaft all the way down, and you just cut it and slip a sleeve over it, that way you can have an infinite amount of play for your steering shaft. They make different lengths of front bumper covers. Just depends on how far you want to lift is how you order your bumper cover. As you can tell, this one is for this golf cart. It bolts to the bottom. Most of them are about this tall, but this one's, you know, double extra tall, just to cover up the front end and keep it looking nice. Everything else stays the same. You utilize the same shocks. You use the same upper and lower control arms. Nothing changes, like I said, except the steering shaft. You have to make a longer one, but that's all good. We've just about got this one rebuilt. I've got new leaf spring bushings. I got new bushings in the spindle. I got new upper control arms. I've got new shock absorbers, and she is good to go. If you have any questions about factory lifts on club car golf cars, let me know. More Medic 1.